This Spec Ops nail puller and pry bar set brings together three demolition essentials, covering everything from delicate trim removal to heavy framing teardown with one coordinated kit. The lighter nail puller is thoughtfully shaped to grab small buried or headless fasteners while keeping surrounding wood as intact as possible, which is a big advantage during remodeling work. Both the compact bar and the mid-sized flat bar are made from high-carbon, spring-tempered steel, giving them a reassuring stiffness and bite when you are prying against stubborn materials. Carefully ground tips and multiple nail pulling slots across the bars make it easier to find the right angle and leverage point, so nails and boards come free with fewer swings and less frustration. The long wrecking bar combines a cushioned, shock-absorbing grip with long reach and multiple fulcrum points, so you can apply serious prying force without beating up your hands and arms. On top of the solid job site performance, a portion of each purchase supports veteran and first responder causes, which adds a feel-good factor to an already capable toolset.